guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. Today I'm doing an unboxing review type of video, but this time I'm doing it with shoes. I usually do like bag reviews if you've seen my last videos. This time I thought I'd try out shoes. A few people asked me could I try out some shoes. So a brand reached out to me called Club Kicks. Just a little disclaimer, if you're not into these type of videos you don't have to watch. It's just for like showing purposes of what types of reps you can get. So today I'm working with a brand called Club Kicks. So thank you to Club Kicks for kindly gifting me this item. They are gorgeous. So today I have a pair of Nikes, or if you call them Nikes, I don't know, I call them Nike. If you say Nikes, that's a bit weird. But anyway, today I have a pair of Nikes here. The box is actually really nice, just a nice Nike box. But I did choose a pair of Jordans. I just want to say the customer service was brilliant. Any messages I sent them, they got back to me ASAP. They took about 2 weeks to come. I did have to clear them at customs, but that was fine. I didn't have any custom fee or anything on these. But yeah, I chose some blue shoes. As you all know, blue is my favorite color. I chose these University Blue Jordans and they're actually stunning. Like, I'm actually in love. So this is the shoes in the box. I've already laced them up. They were not laced, but I laced them up. But like, they're pretty solid, sturdy shoe. Like, I'm actually obsessed. So I chose these University Blue Jordans. So they came with black laces, and they also came with a pair of blue laces if you want to change them, but I like the black. Ignore my lacing skills. But yeah, I just want to say, like, they smell like brand new shoes. They don't smell weird, they don't smell dodgy. They're like pretty sturdy. Like, they're actually bang on. It does have the lovely tumbled leather here. So it does have the lovely tumbled leather and like the suede feel type of material. But that is actually like nubuck material, which the retails are made with as well. The stitching is like bang on. Like, even has the double stitching. And from the front, even has the little blue label. And from the back. It did come with like a little, what are they? Protectors. So this is the inside. Has the Nike. To be honest, I think they're like pretty bang on, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm actually in love. I love the like suede feel, even though it's not suede, it's like nubuck material. But like, I'm absolutely just obsessed with them. Like, blue is my favorite color, so that's why I went with the blue ones. But yeah, even comes with the little insert, the Nike box, laces, extra laces. Even has like the Nike on the bottom, the Nike here. Obviously you can lace it up to the top if you want. Up to yourself what way you wear them. But these ones are hard to get a hold of anyway, like the actual retail ones. They retail for a lot as well. I was on Farfetch and they're like 800 euros. So these are like a fraction of the price, and they're quite bang on. Like, if you're into shoes and you can't get a hold of the actual retail, like, why not? Like, who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? I'm like a UK 5.5, and I got the women's 5.5 and they fit perfect. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. Because I have the Jordan's Lucky Green pair. I bought off a reseller. See, that's the thing, you can never get a hold of these runners because all the resellers buy them all and then sell for more money. So I mean, and they were quite expensive, but I mean, if you can't get hold of the ones you like, I highly recommend these. Came in 2 weeks, customer service is brilliant. I also do have a discount code, and my discount code is WM or $20 off. So I'll just leave it on the screen. So I'll leave it on the screen and I'll put it in the description box. Yeah, I'll also link their website, Instagram and WhatsApp in the description bar. Like, they just smell like new shoes. I love that new shoe smell. But I just think they're gorgeous. Like, but yeah, I'm just absolutely obsessed with the blue. Because these ones are hard to get hold of anyway. And they're really expensive for no reason at all. So if you can't ever get hold of the retail, maybe try Reps. I highly recommend this company because they're just spot on. Like, they're actually bang on. Because I have green Jordans and I have red Jordans, but I just thought the blue was gorgeous. So like, I'm absolutely obsessed. Obsessed is not the word. Like if I could be a shoe, I'd be this shoe. You know what I mean? I want to get one of them floating things that like floats your shoe. If anyone knows what I'm on about. I can't wait to wear these. But yeah, I highly recommend the seller. They get back to you like ASAP if you have any problems or questions or queries on anything. Just message them and they'll get right back to you. Shipping was like 2 weeks. I had to email customs and they released the package. There's no customs charge. That was perfect. And yeah, they came pretty quick, like, so I highly recommend. Like, absolutely no faults. They fit me perfect. Sizing's perfect. The shoe is perfect. Like, it's just gorgeous. So that'd be another thing. If you do actually buy off resellers, make sure you're getting the real thing if you're wanting the real thing. Because these are like bang on. So just be careful if you're buying the real thing off resellers or if you're buying Reps. Just do your research on the pages, check the reviews, check the pictures. You can always ask for quality control pictures. So if you're unsure, ask them to send you a picture before they send it to you, if you want to just double check. But yeah, like the stitching on it here is perfect. There's double line stitching on here. It's just bang on. Like, if I was to put the picture up here and compare, like, it looks perfect. But yeah, if you're unsure, just ask me any questions in the comments and I can get back to you. Actually, can't wait to get my hair done. Getting it done on Friday. Woohoo! I'm gonna be 22 on the weekend. It's kind of scary. But yeah, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe and comment down below if you want me to do more shoe reviews, because I can do. Thanks for watching. Bye.